This is Karut. Karut is Dioscorea hispida. You must search it in your Facebook. Dioscorea hispida by Tita Manzano on how to process carrots in a week bago kainin. Ayan. I-process natin ito. First step is to hunt a carrot. Tali the carrot. Second step is to ukis the carrot. Third step, slice. Fourth step, asinan and ferment it for 2 days. And this step is fifth step is to wash the carrot in running water. So we have to soak it and payat it. We have to soak it in water so that the milky liquid will come out from this carrot. So this is the process of washing, is to payat the carrot. So we have to put in a net here. This is a black net, and we have to payat it, and this white liquid extracting here is the liquid that makahilo kapag makain. So we have to wash it with running water like that. We are here in our sapa to wash this carrot. This is what we call it apak-apakan. You can dance on the top of carrot and extract the white liquid on it. After apak-apak, we have to wash again from that running water hanggang walang makitang puting liquid na lumalabas sa carrot. So ito ang the best difficult part is to step on it, extract the liquid on it, the poison that can kill people to eat this carrot. So we have to wash it so that it will become edible to eat, good to eat. So carrot is one of the best source of carbohydrates that can substitute rice. Okay? Carrot is rich in carbohydrates. So we have to eat carbohydrates, eat carrot instead of rice. Rice is so scarce this time. So we have to hunt carrot in this mountain. We are here. We have to hunt carrot in our mountains. So maraming carrot dito. So we have to hunt it and process it for a week, and we have to eat them for a sustainable life. So we thank God. Instead of eating rice, we have to eat carrot. Dioscorea hispida. You have to search for it in the Facebook. What is Dioscorea hispida? It's carrot. So we have to apak-apakan muli ang carrot to extract the liquid, milky liquid of this carrot. So this is the milky liquid. We have to wash it again and again, soak it in fresh water so that the carrot is good food. Rich in carbohydrates. Kabi mo pala to, igid. There. Another sack of net. We have to wash it and apak-apak. Ikuha ko na to niya, ikarwash kon. Ay, ikarwash. I-wash kon, ta no maika. This is the fresh extract from the karut. You can see the white liquid extracted from this karut. You can see the yellow or the milky liquid that extracted from the karut. So you see, the karut is not clean yet. So we have to clean it first before we eat. So we have to soak it in that running water and wash it clearly, and we have to wash it fresh water running down there, and we have to apak it. This is the way we have to apak the karut so that the karut will extract its toxins. The white one is a toxic liquid that people can kill or mahihilo ang tao kapag hindi matanggal ang puting likido. So it's 10 minutes to explain this 5 steps. We are on the 5th stage of processing the karut. So when you ask me what is the first step was to hunt a karut, to harvest a karut first. Second step is to peel the karut. Third, slice the karut. Fourth is to ferment the karut. You have to ferment it and cure it with salt for 2 days. So after curing it, we have to apak-apakan and soak it in fresh water. That is the 5 steps. So we are doing it right now, the 5th stage. So thank you. Good morning. Ito si Superman. Thank you. The 5th step. Okay, good morning.